friend of me is Poco F4, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation on this device. Start by opening Tab menu. Now look for Log Orientation icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is see-through. That means that auto rotation is on. If you wish to turn it off, click on the same icon. You can always go into settings as well, scroll down and tap on display. Then scroll all the way down and click on this switcher next to auto rotate screen. If this switcher is blue, that means that auto rotation is on. If you wish to turn it off, tap on the switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!